Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muthi aliyah. How are you? This time I will bring up the topic of antibiotics and their side effect. Antibiotics are chemical substances produced by microorganisms that have the ability to inhibit the growth or kill other microorganisms. The phrase antibiotic surfaced was used in 1110. In just over 100 years, antibiotics have revolutionized modern medicine and extended the average human lifespan by 23 years. The discovery of penicillin in 1128 started the golden age of natural antibiotic discovery, which began in the mid-1950s. Antibiotics are the drugs most widely used in infection caused by bacteria. The use of antibiotics will be beneficial and have an effect when prescribed and consumed according to the rules. The use of antibiotics that are not in their function will pose a risk of decreasing the effectiveness of drug itself to the risk of disease arising due to incorrect use. However, some side effects of antibiotics can also occur in the initial use or of small doses. Some side effects of antibiotics that can occur. Number 1. Indigestion. Indigestion is the most common side effect of antibiotics. Symptoms of gastrointestinal disorders due to the use of antibiotics include diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, and stomach cramp. These side effects are more common with the use of penicillin, cephalosporin, and fluoroquinol, a one-class antibiotic. Number 2. Allergy reaction. Allergy reactions to antibiotics are rare. However, when they occur, allergy reactions to antibiotics are usually severe and dangerous. Some people who experience an allergy reaction to antibiotics can experience several complications in the form of anaphylactic and Stevens-Jones syndrome. Number 3. Fungal infection. The use of antibiotics can reduce the number of good bacteria in the body. When the number of good bacteria is reduced, the fungus will easily grow. This fungal infection usually appears in the form of thrush in the mouth, which is called oral candidiasis. In women, side effects of antibiotics can be in the form of vaginal yeast infection, which cause complaints of itching and burning in the vagina, pain during intercourse, vaginal discharge, and vaginal discharge with an unpleasant odor. Number 4. Tooth discoloration. Several types of antibiotics such as tetracycline and doxycycline can also cause side effects in the form of permanent discoloration of the teeth if given to children under 8 years old. Antibiotic resistance. The use of antibiotics that are too frequent or not in accordance with the dosage can cause them to experience resistance or immunity. This is one of the most frequent side effects of antibiotics. When the claims that cause infection are resistant to antibiotic, bacterial infection will be difficult to cure because of their immunity. Grams are also at high risk of causing serious infection such as species. Make sure you take antibiotic as prescribed until the rain out to reduce the possibility of side effects. And don't buy antibiotics that are sold fairly or with a prescription or doctor supervision. The use of antibiotics cannot be stopped suddenly. Even after the prescribed symptoms of infection have subsided, the bacteria that causes the infection can develop resistance to this drug if they are not infected. Do not share prescribed antibiotic with other people and never share your own antibiotic without first consulting a doctor. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.